Well, you probably know me from my other channel, mooNKnight, where I post gaming videos, horror gaming videos. You should check that out. This channel is going to be about tech stuffs. If you ask me things, then I'll probably explain it to you. So this is going to be about thermal throttling and thermal shutdown. You guys know what that is. Thermal throttling is when we reach 95 Celsius, or I don't know, I'm not exact, but it reduces your uptake speed to reduce temps. Get it? Let me show you. So my Celsius is at 83 and my temps is at 83 because I don't know why it's at 80. I haven't been doing it yet now. But when it reaches 95, pretty sure the speed reduces to 1000 megahertz to reduce temps. So it doesn't, maybe cause instability or anything like that. I think you guys understand what I'm saying. So what is thermal shutdown, you ask? Thermal shutdown is when you reach 105 Celsius or 100 Celsius, then the laptop shuts the laptop by itself, shutdowns the laptop by itself to, not break the CPU or something, burn the CPU. So how to stop thermal throttling or thermal shutdown happening is by reducing temps. You make not reach the Celsius I told you guys. So how do you do that? And first you can probably start from using power saver as your power mode. That will reduce the temps a lot. Then you can probably undervolt, fast out undervolt, press FIVR in throttle stop, which you can download from Tech Power. That was the website name, I'm pretty sure. Then you got the CPU core, unlock adjustable voltage and make sure it's set to adaptive. Then this will probably be at 0. You should go 5, let me show you guys. Probably first set to 0 like this. You should increase it by 5 till when your laptop becomes unstable. Mine, I just set it to 60 because when I go higher than that, my laptop starts causing problems. It's a different number for different laptop PCs. For me, 60 is the stable amount I can go. How to know if your laptop is stable or unstable? After you set that offset voltage, you can just go to TS bench and press normal. With the size to 960 pm, not 960 pm, oh my god, I'm so bad. 960 am, and start and see if your laptop, and wait till it's finished. And if it's finished without any problems, then your laptop is stable. If you did finish with problems, then your laptop is unstable. So if you are having thermal shutdown problems, the only solution for this will probably be locking your laptop to not go over a certain voltage. Yeah. So how do you do that? You disable controls. So for me, putting this at 12 locks the laptop from going over 12 voltage. Right now it went 25 because I did not lock it. These are disabled controls. See, disable 12. It does not go over 12, which does not let the laptop go over 85 Celsius. Yeah, it does reduce the performance, but at least my laptop is not turning off every single 5 minutes while playing games. For me, it doesn't happen now because I did everything I could to, reduce the temperatures. That helps a lot. If it goes to 105 Celsius while gaming, that's a really bad background. You should do, like, if you can care about the laptop, then probably, fully power saving it probably the best choice to do. Like when you're using a laptop, like an old laptop, power is probably the thing you should mostly care about. Power saving. Temps. So, I think you guys get it by what I'm saying. So, guys, if you guys are wondering, I use a MacBook Air. I use bootcamp to run Windows 11 on it. Or you could say Tiny 11, because Windows 11 doesn't really run on this. And so, if you guys want to see actually my specs, I think it's beneficial on my graphics purchase. Yeah. Set everything to pausing, because I think that's the great choice. So information center, yeah. So look all you want. My specs. It's not great. Actually, it's not that good. It's also a turbo boost to 290 gigahertz. So yeah, 180 is the base speed. Let me show you all. 180 is the base speed. I use throttle stop to increase it to 290 gigahertz. And I use turbo boost when it's necessary, but I changed that. I have 8 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD. That SSD part was probably really good. I have a GPU, it's a shared GPU memory. I installed the latest drivers. If you guys want to know this, you can watch this. You could have just seen the video before. I'll be showing all this. That's probably it. I'll make more tech videos in this about how I installed Tiny 11 in the MacBook laptop. For people who don't know how I fix my problems in this laptop, somehow run can't waterfall with this. I did. Second plate also played Dazn 2 and by one Arkham Asylum, many AAA games in this laptop. Both gets about 20 to 40 FPS, which I think it's great for me. It only has one fan, which is also I think a great thing. Not great thing, but it can run 40 FPS with one fan is probably awesome. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next video.